Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share our Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Wuruhi, Te Pōkiha, me Te Maki. There are two kupu hou. The first is Kea, and it means crook, or one who is dishonest. I mauheretia te Kea. The crook was arrested. Our second kupu is whakapae, and it means to accuse. I whakapae ngā pirihi mana I te taihara a te tangatara. The police accused that person of the crime. Kia are mai ngā taringa listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hānana hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Wuruhi, te Pōkiha, me te Maki, nā Aesop. Ka whakapaengia te Pōkiha e te Wuruhi. I mua tonu I te aroaro o te Maki hei kai whakawā. He whānako nāna I etahi mīti I whakatahangia ai e ia. Ka roa ka riri hoki te tohetohe I te take. A I te rongonga a te Maki I ngā kōrero katoa a ia taha, ka pēnei tāna whakatau. E te Wuruhi, ahakoa au kome I te āhua nei, ki hai koe I pāngia e te ringa whānako. Engari anō e te Pōkiha, koa mate kē tāku whāki I tāu whānako I tērā e whakapaengia nei. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, e kore te Kea e whaimana. The Wolf, the Fox, and the Ape by Aesop. The wolf charged the fox, before the ape as a judge, with having stolen some meat that he had put by. The case was long and angrily contested, and the ape, having heard all that was to be said on both sides, announced his decision as follows. You, Master Wolf, in spite of your complaints, do not appear to me to have had anything to lose. But I am forced to admit that you, Master Fox, have certainly stolen what is laid to your charge. The moral being, the dishonest get no credit. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tāu whakarongo mai. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. Whakamiere doesn't run ads, nor does it have any partnerships with sponsors. So all of our tautoko comes from our Patreon supporters. Any support we get through Patreon enables us to focus more of our efforts on producing content for the podcast, like today's Paki Poto. So if you're in a position to support us, not only will it help us pay our bills, it will also benefit the rest of our whānau whakamiere and help us get even more content out. Even better, if you're a kaimahi and kura, kohanga reo, puna reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Kaimahi can get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive Reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is more than 100 episodes. Just email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address, and we'll send you a Patreon link. This is still just $6 a month for anyone else who wants to join, and a big mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast simply couldn't be ad-free. Head on over to patreon.com/whakamiere to learn more about our subscriptions. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to and want to show your tautoko in another way, please consider leaving a like and a review on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference. And if you've got friends and whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you want to get in touch with us about the podcast, or to redeem your free access as a kaimahi, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko Taurapa au e mihi nui ana, hei a koe nei e hoa mā.